Please all participant open Jupyter page and type done within Zoom chat. In our today class, we are going to do again practice for data visualization. But today I will give you task. You need to complete task. I am sharing the list of plot names you will perform during class, and if you face any hurdle or any issue, you will be allowed to share your screen. Now please all participant open ChatGPT. All participant please open ChatGPT and write a message here. I need name list of all types of 3D plots which I can draw in Python. Please all participant type this message and send to ChatGPT. I need name list of all type of 3D plots which I can draw in Python. I also have shared this message in Zoom chat. You can also copy and paste. Here is a broad name list of 3D plots you can draw in Python. Number one, 3D scatter plot, 3D line plot, 3D surface plot, 3D wireframe plot, 3D counter plot, 3D field counter plot, bar plot, stem plot, mesh plot. So I think number one to 45 different types of plots are given. Your task is complete all these tasks one by one. Same, you need to repeat same practice. First import your data into Jupyter page, then convert your data into coding or give a name ficus, then get info and copy and paste your info with script or combine both things, script and its output, and then copy and paste to ChatGPT and write a message one by one. I want to create 3D scatter plot. After creating scatter plot, copy and share within group. Then again type a message to ChatGPT. I want to create 3D line plot. After creating plot, or you can also write a message to ChatGPT as in our previous class. I want to create 3D scatter plot. I also want to save this plot as PNG or JPG or PDF or Word file, any file format which you want to use, you can save your plots. Then line plot, then 3D surface plot. So perform all these plots one by one. Here is your first task. I am also going to share another task with you, but first complete this task. I am waiting for your plots within group. I have shared a name list within Python batch 26. So please, all participants must do practice on these 3D type of visualization. And in our next week, we are going to start our statistical part. So when we start our statistic part, you will be able, you are able to perform each and every step for script generating. So there uh, will be our focus on analysis, not script generating, not Python. So when we start our statistical portion, our focus will be on statistical analysis. We will work what is ANOVA, why do we perform ANOVA, how many types of ANOVA, how to arrange data for ANOVA. So our focus will be not script generating and script running. So must do practice so that when we start this part, uh, then you are an expert. Okay, if you have any question or any issue, let me know. If clear, please start your task. Please confirm it's clear. Okay, thank you. Please all participant confirm clear and start your task. And I am waiting for your results. No, I am just going to stop recording, but I am on Zoom. When you found an issue, inform me. I will start recording again.
I input pandas SPD.
Okay, run this line.
Okay.
No, next. Yes, it's working. Next. Give name. Yes, next code. It's working on your side. Next. Okay, where is issue?
Um, Actually, whenever I first tried, it does not work. Now it is working.
Okay. Okay, now please perform next step.
Okay.